Hello students, this is Mohammad Wali Rahman Mullah, lecturer, Department of English, Yusufabad Degree College. My dear students, welcome to my English class, and today's class is for the students of SSC first year for the session of 2021. I welcome you from Sheikh Russell Digital Lab, Yusufabad Degree College. Dear students, in the last class, I taught you about synonyms. To maintain consistency, today I am before you with a new topic, and which is antonyms. First of all, we need to know what is antonyms. Basically, antonyms are words which have opposite meanings. So today I will give you some brief account of knowledge. By following those, it is possible for you to make any word and antonyms. So today I will focus on you three different types of rules following which it is possible for you to make any antonyms very easily. So we know to make any word antonym, first of all we need to know prefix. Okay? Prefix. So, prefix are very important to make any word antonyms. There are two types of rules how you can make any word antonyms. The first one is by adding prefix, and number two is completely you will find different word. So, how by adding prefix we will make any word antonym. So number one is rule 1. Okay. Dear students, I have written here RED. This is prefix, and IR also prefix. So there are lots of words in English you will find, and at the beginning of those words you will find prefix RED. So if you want to make the word which has RED prefix at the beginning, you will have to make, or you will have to add IRE prefix before that word to make antonym. And how it can be possible? Now look at that. Responsible. Okay. Here is a word responsible. So there is a prefix here RED, and thus you will find many more words which has RED at the beginning of those words. So this is a word responsible. If I want to make this one antonym, simply I will add IR before this word. So how? Irresponsible. Okay. Another one. Recoverable. Okay. Recoverable. So here, recoverable is a word. Okay. So here RED. So that's why I have to put before the word IRE. So now this word gives opposite meaning. Recoverable, irrecoverable, responsible, irresponsible. Okay, this is the rule 1. So you can apply this rule. So come to rule number 2. There are thousands of words, many more words you will find in English language. And those words actually begins with M or P letter. And if you want to make those words antonym, you have to put before those words I am in prefix. Okay, look at the board how it can be possible. M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Okay, so mobile is a word. So we can see here there is a letter M. So if you want to make this word antonym, simply we can put before this word I am in. Immobile. Okay, immobile. Okay, I am writing more clearly. Immobile. I am in is prefix and mobile is the base word. So mobile means that can move. It's called mobile. So when I write immobile, and this is antonym. Okay, this is antonym word and this gives actually the opposite meaning. Mobile, immobile. Okay, and also another one P, another letter P. If we find, okay, there are lots of words. Okay, you will find that those words begin, okay, with the letter P. And if you want to make those words antonym, simply we can add I am in prefix at the beginning or at the start of those words. Okay, so possible, impossible, possible, impossible. Okay, this is the rule. 2, you will remember this one, and now I will teach you rule number 3. Actually these are very short, but if you follow this one you can learn a lot. So L, and also in English language you can find a lot of words, okay, which begins with the letter L. So if you want to make antonym those words, okay, you can add L at the beginning of those words. So legal, okay, illegal. Lawyer, illoyal. Okay, very simple, my dear students. I think these are 3 tricks. If you follow these 3 tricks in learning antonyms, identifying antonyms, I think this class will help you to a great extent, and you will be able to make any word antonym if you follow these rules. Okay, these are about my class. So hopefully you have already enjoyed my class, and in the next class I will see again. Thank you very much.